And so I need to stabilize proximally, and then my right hand is going to try to bend the knee, and we're going to hold this for 30, hopefully 30, but no more than 60 seconds, okay? And the magic word when I apply the stretch is, where are you feeling it? Because that tells me whether or not she's feeling it in the right spot, okay? So, again, as I do this, Jules, first of all, you hear it, are you feeling untoward discomfort? Okay. Can you feel a little bit of a stretch? And where do you feel that stretch? Perfect. Okay, so that's the answer. That, believe it or not, has been 25 seconds. It's a lot longer than you think. Okay, so I'm going to take her down. That was 40 seconds. Okay, not going to take a measurement. I'm going to repeat it again. All right, so we're going to passively bring you up. Now this time I'll use Jules and feel. Okay, all right. So now, Jewel, do you feel a little bit of stretch in the same place? Mm-hmm. All right, so again, using Julie's unfeel, not Nellie's, okay? This is how I would do it, okay? You know, and quite honestly, to me, it makes sense to then do my measurement as I get to the end of my stretch, okay? But I don't expect you guys to be able to do that. So if you have to come back down, get your goniometer ready to go. Passively, let's bring your knee up. Get to an end feel. Can't let go just because you want to line up the goniometer. Okay? I got to maintain the stretch with my right hand. Okay? Sometimes what we see students do, they're so goniometer conscious, we get up to the stretch. There it is, let go, so we can line up the goniometer, and unfortunately that is no longer a passive range of motion measurement. Okay? So we're going to do supine knee flexion, and then we're going to do prone knee flexion. Okay, so Jules, we're going to have to flip you so this leg is still on the outside, so put your head down this way. What's the difference between knee flexion, prone versus supine? Or is there a difference? Do I need to do both? What information does prone knee flexion give me? What muscle?
If it's a reference somewhere, since I was doing.
Correct. Okay, so I'm going to just slide down towards me. Okay, perfect. All right. And again, I'm going to put a little towel roll above her knee, so her kneecap, you know, Jules might be comfortable, but if she just had a total knee, it may not be comfortable putting that 10-inch incision into the table, okay? So, can we lift this leg up, all right? And again, she would have been kind of here, 10 degrees, okay? And I believe her passive prone flexion was significantly less, wasn't it 75 degrees? Okay? So not only does she have a tight knee joint, she has a tight rectus femoris. Okay? So again, Jules, go ahead and bend your knee for me. Okay, go a little above there. Okay? So that's active. Now relax. I already measured extension when she was on her back, so I don't have to do that. Okay? And I'm going to keep the goniometer. Same landmark as what we just had before. Okay? Now this time let me do it, okay, kiddo? Alright? And this is what 75 degrees would look like, give or take. And so then I would hold her in this position. Line up. This time I can let go because I'm using my shoulder. Okay, you don't have to do that. Okay? If I did it with just my hand, relax, let me move you, come to an end feel. I can let go with this hand. I can't let go with this hand, okay? And then I'm gonna line up my bony arm and